Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not working on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on phone app. Click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.